vlog. Today is Monday, the 10th of November, and I just came from doing my bloods. I wanted to take you guys with me there, but I was in a season of prayer because I've been getting bloods every other week because my iron is very low, and if it doesn't get high enough, I'm going to have to go for an iron infusion. So that's like just a delicate situation, but yeah. Plan for today, I am doctors. I'm going to one of my sites, and then I've got I don't know what it is, but I'm doing something for someone and I'm getting paid for it. So I guess it's one of my many jobs. But yeah, so I will catch you guys later. What else are we doing today? I think that's all. It's just work, and then yeah, I'm editing some TikToks, and then that's it. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Back to the vlog. So right now I'm unboxing. I am in the bedroom, and I just got I didn't get it now. I got it earlier around, what time was it? 8, 9 a.m. Package from Takealot. But yeah, this is the bump check for the day. 35 weeks removing. A few more weeks to go. We're out. So I'm just going to show you guys. I forgot that the microphone is not working. It's like, oh, I'm not sure. So it's so basic. Can you believe it, babe? I was so excited. It's not working, and then I stopped using it. So this is what I bought from Takealot. Baby. Anyway, okay, so I'm going to start here. I got Sissy it's not a comforter. It is a comforter. This is the inner part. So her toddler bed is not a toddler bed. It's a single bed, really. So look, what is this? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Show daddy. Cover your ears and show daddy. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's just a basic duvet inner. Just a basic duvet inner, but in a single size, which I am so. Number 2 has got Asa. If you don't go now, I'm going to send you outside so that you can play with Auntie. Stay out of the camera lens, okay? Anyway, I'm facing challenges, guys, filming this, but you know what? God is my strength and my refuge. So I bought my daughter some shea butter. Um, she doesn't use anything else. Well, she does use other things now that she's bigger, but that's all that's in the box. There you go. Asa, you can play with this one. It's a box for baby. That's what's in that first box. And this bigger one. Let's see what's inside. Oh, this one's interesting. So I have got the look, babe, for the baby. I bought that little pack for baby. And then let me try to clip this in here. um, ASMR. I bought this because I'm staying in a very small apartment. It's not very small. I mean, I'm just being a diva, but it's not a very big apartment. So I'm trying to find ways to kind of maximize my space without adding on more furniture. So this is going to be like a diaper caddy instead of having um, a diaper station like I had with Asa. I'm going to have a diaper caddy next to the bed that will have a changing mat, diapers, and everything that I need by my bedside table. So it's like a diaper station, but in a bag. If I go to the lounge, I just carry it around, and I'm noticing that it's not very good quality. But I mean, the baby is just going to be like a baby for a little bit of time before they become a big person. So I'm not mad at it at all. But I think these are the thing is to divide on the inside. But yeah, it's called a diaper caddy, just storage basically. And then because little Sissy is growing, I also got a potty. Did I tell you about the potty, babe? Let me give it this. I have to open it now so that I give it to the owner since she's trying to play with her little brother's items. I also got it in blue, guys, so that when the baby also grows, you can also use it. I'm my mother's daughter. I don't believe in like buying too many things because as it stands, I'm going to make them use the same bath and also the same, well, the same storage for their clothes is because of space, really. But I don't know how long it's going to last, but I'll try my best. Because sisivane yembe dzakawanda. But yeah, we'll see. I think I picked the wrong scissors. I needed a bigger one, but it's fine. Um, but I like this one because number one, the lead, which I don't get, but also this inside part. Do you see? Kana aita, you take this and you wash it, so you don't have to lift up the entire thing, which is amazing. I like that. And there's a little space to let the air out as well. So cute. Asa, look, potty for wee wee. And now for the third package. Why are you going inside? Oh, this is the more interesting one. I bought dividers for the chest of drawers for their clothes. So since they're now sharing, we have to divide. Umwana uisa ma t-shirts akhe umu. Umwe uisa ma t-shirts akhe umu. And then my socks. My socks. And then yeah, I'll just label, but I don't need to label because I mean you can see the colors and the sizes anyway, so that will work out on its own. And I bought an 8-pack, is it? I think I bought an 8-pack. Oh, these are the unders. Wow, interesting. Interesting. Are you peeing? But yeah, that's that. I'm excited for these ones. Very excited. Unfortunately, I'm not going to pack with you guys when I pack their clothes and all of that, but I will pack my hospital bag, like I said in the last vlog. In the last vlog, I did say that I would pack with you guys. Okay, this is also for Sissy, for a bed. It's a single. And I suspect it also has pillowcases, does it? It should have. Oh yes, it does. It has pillowcases. They are very big. Not even for toddler pillow sizes, but it's okay. It is totally okay. It has one. Someone another egg. Okay, yeah. I mean, one is enough. There's only one of her. Okay, cool. But yeah, guys, that's it for my unboxing. I haven't put up the curtain, but I'll show you guys when I do that because we are still out in the open for the world to see. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I will catch you guys when I do something else. I'll probably go out later. I want to post a package for my friend. But yeah, this vlog is very all over the place. I haven't said anything to you since yesterday, actually. But yeah, all is well. The reading never gets easier, guys. Hey guys, so I didn't pick up the camera today, but I am just walking back home from this nail bar that I go to. People are staring at me, but yeah, this is me. I'm walking home and the ladies are laughing at me. They're saying I am walking like a duck, and listen, it's giving duck vibes over here. But yeah, I'm walking back home from there. I didn't want to film too much because we talk a lot whenever I go there, and I haven't seen them since I first found out I was pregnant, so they didn't know I was pregnant actually. So yeah, I actually didn't want to go until I gave birth, but then I just thought, listen, ain't no way.
because the last time I was there, I was doing my graduation nails, and I was barely 2 months pregnant then. So yeah, I've just been busy with life, and I haven't done my nails, have I? I think I haven't done my nails since. I've just been vibing. Which I'm on my way home. The lighting is not great. Which I feel like she botched my eyebrows. I don't know if you guys can see. This one looks great, but this one so thin. But anyway, I'm not mad at it. But yeah, I'm going home now. I did like a half maintenance because my nails are still too short. I want to do a gel overlay, which is like my go-to, and I need my nails to be a little bit longer. And I also want to do it closer to when I'm going to be giving birth. I hope you guys can hear me because I have got no strength to speak louder or anything of that sort. But yeah, I'm almost home. Literally, the bar is like a street away from me, so it's like a 5-minute walk from home. But yeah, man, if you live in South Africa, don't do what I'm doing. If you live anywhere in life, really don't. But I'm just so close to home, and I take walks around here, so I feel comfortable doing this. But yeah, I did meet a few shady faces, so it's not to be advised. But yeah, I'm just tired, man. I'm ready to give birth, I think. Nobody talks about the final trimester of pregnancy. It's brutal. And I'm just so glad that I still have work to do. What was that? I wonder. But yeah, I just received a message. I don't know, but yeah. Nobody talks about how difficult it is to be pregnant towards the end. Like, I'm just heavy, guys. I'm heavy. Last time, my first pregnancy, this was I was already on leave. Right now I am on leave, but I'm still sort of working, which I'm happy about, because what would I be doing with my time if not working? Oh, stressing about the way my face looks. Like, I can't believe it. But anyway, I'm home. I'll talk to you guys later. Snack time. Snack and water time.